Today we're going to talk about variables and equations. And first thing you have is a definition of what exactly an equation is. And it's a mathematical sentence that actually contains an equal sign. All right, so an equation can be one of three things: true, false, or open. So we know what true and false is. It's correct or it's not correct. So open is if it contains a variable or variables. All right, so that's an open sentence. So look at the directions. Is each equation true, false, or open? Example 1a, 6 plus 12 is 18. Well, 6 plus 12 is 18, so that would be true because 18 does equal 18. Look at letter B, 6 equals 4 plus 3. Well, that would be false because 4 plus 3 is 7 and 6 does not equal 7. That's a false statement. And letter C, 6y equals negative 3 plus 5y. It contains a variable and that makes it open. All right, let's try a couple. 9 minus 7 equals 3. Well, 9 minus 7 is 2, and 2 does not equal 3. Therefore, that is false. 8 plus x equals 2. There is a variable that makes this open. 4 times 5 equals 20. 20 does equal 20. Therefore, that one is true. Look at example 2. Write an equation for 9 times the opposite of 5 is 45. Is the equation true, false, or open? Well, I want to start right here to here. 9 times the opposite of 5 is 45. I want to take those words. Now I want to translate them into a numerical expression. Okay, so 9 times is the time symbol. I'll use the dot. The opposite of 5, that would be a negative 5, means equals 45. Well, 9 times the opposite of 5 is negative 5. 9 times a negative 5 is a negative 45, and that does not equal 45. That is a false statement. Let's try one. Write an equation for 20 minus x is 3. Okay, from this point to this point. Is the equation true, false, or open? So I'm going to rewrite 20 minus x is 3. Okay, now let's translate that. 20 minus x is 3. Straight translation. It contains a variable. This is an open sentence. Part 2, checking equations using substitution. A solution is a value for a variable that makes the equation true. So look at example 3. Is 30 a solution for 170 plus x equals 200? And you will hear me say this over and over again. When we're looking for a solution, substitute the value for the variable. I'll say that over and over. Substitute the value for the variable. So what I want to do is take the value 30 and put it in where my variable or variables might be. So 100 plus 30 equals 200. 200 does equal 200. So yes, 30 would be the solution. Whoops, let me bring you back there. Sorry about that. Hit the camera on the way in. Okay, so let's take a look here. Is the given number a solution for the equation? Number 5, 8 plus t equals 2t. I want you to try 1. 8 plus 1 equals 2 times 1. 8 plus 1 is 9. 2 times 1 is 2. That is not true. So no, 1 is not the solution for that equation. Look at number 6. 9 minus m equals 3. I want you to try 6 for the variable m. 9 minus 6 equals 3. 3 equals 3. That is true. So yes, 6 is the solution for that equation. Look at example 4, a word problem. A driver's equipment weighs 35 pounds. the driver plus the equipment weighs 165 pounds. Can the driver's weight be 200? Well, if we take a look here, the driver plus the equipment weighs 165 pounds. That's the key part. So the driver plus the equipment weighs 165 pounds. And we don't know the weight of the driver, but we do know that his equipment is 35 pounds. So the driver plus the equipment is 165 pounds. Now we're going to, here we go again, substitute the value for the variable. So substitute 200 for the weight of the driver. 200 plus 35 is 235. Does that equal 165? No, it does not. Therefore, the driver cannot possibly weigh 200 pounds. My answer is no, it is not a solution. So let's try one. A tent weighs 6 pounds. Your backpack and the tent weigh 33 pounds. Use an equation to find whether the backpack weighs 27 pounds. So right there, your backpack and the tent weigh 33 pounds. Your backpack and the tent weigh 33 pounds. So we know that the tent weighs 6. We don't know what the backpack is, and the tent, which is 6, weigh 33 pounds. We want to know, can the backpack weigh 27? 27 plus 6, does that equal 33? Yes, it does. So yes, that would be the solution. And that's it. Good luck.